Are you wondering how to handle the covert narcissist in your life? Hi, I'm Simon Dipnar and I'm a family lawyer. In my last talk, I discussed the personality disorder known as covert narcissism. The covert narcissist behaves in a very different way from overt narcissist. Rather than being charming and confident, they are self-deprecating and shy. But the underlying motives and self-beliefs are the same. Today I'm going to look at the causes of narcissism, or NPD, both overt and covert, and then discuss some tips for dealing with the covert narcissist. NPD is still poorly understood. One study linked adults with narcissistic personality traits to parents who overvalued their achievements and heaped praise on them. This, the experts surmised, could lead a child to feel superior to others. By contrast, affectionate parents who value children for who they are rather than for what they achieve tend to have children with a healthier sense of self-esteem and less need of constant praise. But this is an oversimplification. Not every problem in adult life can be attributed to parenting style. Adults with narcissistic traits often have a parent with NPD, or they have been abused as children, or both. Psychologists don't fully understand why one person develops NPD and another doesn't, or why some people develop overt NPD and others develop covert NPD. So how do you deal with covert narcissism? It would be easy for me to tell you simply to end the relationship, but that's not always possible, and you may not want to. Ultimately, NPD is a personality disorder and the individual needs help, not rejection. The key is to protect yourself while helping them access treatment. You may feel the need to take care of them. After all, that's what the victim mentality is seeking. You may feel sorry for them, or you may appear needy. You need to be careful not to fall into the role of rescuer. Dr. Sarah Davies, a psychologist and author of Never Again, Moving On from Narcissistic Abuse and Other Toxic Relationships, she says if you can recognize when you are being sucked into a rescuer role, you are more likely to be able to avoid it. Covert narcissists are attracted to empaths and enablers. Someone with self-esteem issues of their own may be buoyed up by the covert narcissist's need for their approval and praise. The relationship can become codependent. Davies says the best thing you can do is to trust your instincts, inform yourself, and avoid being caught up in the narcissist dynamic. If it's a new relationship and your gut feeling is warning you against it, trust your instincts and walk away. With a close friend or family member, it's a good idea to set some boundaries. For example, you could limit the contact so you only see them on specific days. You could also limit the amount of personal data you share with them. If you've experienced abuse or trauma as a result of your relationship with a covert narcissist, you may need to cut yourself off from them entirely, at least temporarily. Finally, if it is someone you care about, it's worth being honest with them. But a sense of superiority is typical of the narcissist, whether covert or overt, so they probably won't listen to you. So give yourself the best chance of being heard. Don't have the conversation during periods of conflict, stress, or distraction. Reassure them that you care and support them, that you are concerned that their thoughts, beliefs, and behaviors indicate they may have narcissistic personality disorder. Give them reasons for your opinion. It's helpful to discuss this with someone else first to confirm your belief, then encourage them to seek professional help. Don't attempt to play the therapist yourself. It takes skill and experience and time to treat NPD. If you are married to someone with NPD and considering divorce, or just want to discuss your options, I can help you. Give us a call on 086 099 5146 for a chat in the strictest confidence.